Hello everybody, Mrs. Walt here with your daily phonics lesson, and I have some exciting news. We're going to be learning Hello friends, Mrs. Walt here with your daily phonics lesson, and today I have exciting news. We are learning a new syllable type. Ooh, ooh. Today we're going to be learning about consonant LE. You're like, huh? Trust me. You've seen it many times. You just didn't know that's what it was called. Well, today we're just going to be sorting and recognizing the consonant LE syllable type. So, I want you to look here. Now, you would probably think, oh, this is just an open syllable. Well, the rule with consonant LE is that it never stands alone. It's always going to have another syllable type in front of it. Okay, so what I want you to recognize today is this pattern, consonant L with an E. Okay, here's the rule. Consonant always followed by an L with an E. Very important to look for that L. Okay, so you don't really have a signal for this, a hand signal. I'm just going to put a box around it. Okay, that's going to remind me consonant LE. Okay, I'll do my eraser. Okay, all right, so you're just going to signal. Let's see, can you do a square like this? Square for consonant LE. Let's do that. So if it's a consonant LE, do this. Yes or no? And if you remember the signal, please do the signal for the syllable type you see. Right, this is not consonant LE. Vowel team. Two vowels together. Ready? Not a vowel team. You should be doing silent E. This is a silent E syllable type. That vowel is going to say its long vowel sound. Not a consonant LE. It's got a consonant and an E, but it's missing that important L. Okay, this is open syllable. Tricked some of you, didn't I? Okay. Consonant LE. Closed. Okay, it's got it. Don't get confused. It's LE. This is EL. This is closed, or L. Okay. Ready? Very good. It is consonant. There's my consonant, and then it's followed by that important L, E. Okay, this is our little box. This is a closed syllable. Excuse me. Not closed syllable, and I don't want to start recording again. Consonant LE. Say it with me. Consonant LE. Consonant LE. That's it. Good. I don't see an L there at all. Open. Bay. But sometimes when we see that, it looks like ba, doesn't it? Very good. It is. You should be showing me that box. Consonant, LE. Consonant, C is definitely a consonant, LE. Cool. Like in this word. Uncle. Uncle. Uncle, two syllables, uncle, uncle. And you're like, oh yeah, I have seen this syllable type before, yeah. Very good, you're right, it is consonant, LE, like in this word that you've probably seen before. If you said Candle. Pat yourself on the back. You're on fire. Candle. Very good. Consonant L-E. Ready? Nope. Nada. What is it? Silent E syllable. Where that vowel's going to say it's a long vowel sound. Kyle. Kyle. Sounds like a name, doesn't it? Ready? Consonant L-E or no? Very good. It is a consonant L-E. We've got an F, followed by an L and an E. Fool. I just thought of a word because I have been doing this a lot lately. You can never see my I's dotted very well. Okay, remember, break it down the middle of those double consonants, and it's a sniffle, sniffle, sniffle. Consonant L-E. You guys are on fire. No. Nope. You should be doing this closed syllable, consonant, followed by one or more, vowel. Mrs. Walt needs more coffee this morning, I think. Vowel, people, followed by one or more consonants. This word would be now. Silly word, now. It sounds like a person's name again. Okay, is it consonant L-E? Yes or no? I should see people doing this with their finger, saying, oh, it's a vowel team, vowel team, not consonant L-E. Kind of put that in wonky, didn't I? That's even wonkier. Oh my goodness, I'm having a time today. You're right. That's not a consonant L-E. You should be doing that with your fingers. Vowel team. The A, long A is saying its name. Ding, ding, ding. If you said consonant L-E, you are absolutely correct. Consonant L-E, and if you're doing a little box with your fingers, that would be a good signal to do too. I just made that up myself. Consonant L-E, consonant L-E, it is. So let me think of a word. Let's see. Pull. Pull. This is a real word. Supple. We don't use it very much, but supple. Ready? You guys are getting good at this. It is a consonant L-E. We talk about this all the time. I bet you can read this word. Every week and pretty much every day we talk about the title of a book or a title of a new story. Title. Okay. Don't get tripped up. Remember, there's no L here. I see a consonant and an E. This is open. Don't get confused. It has to have a consonant L-E. Consonant L-E. So this is an open syllable, not consonant L-E. Very good. You should be doing this. Silent E syllable on the end. The vowel is going to say its long vowel sound, if, like in the word wife. Okay, so remember, consonant L-E. There are lots of different ones. Okay, these are just a few. Okay, consonant with an L-E. And it's never going to be by itself. It's always going to be with another syllable. This is usually always going to be on the end. Okay? I'm trying to think if there's an instance when it's not on the end. But there's always going to be another consonant with it. So I thought before we ended for today, we would practice looking at some more real words, because I always like to throw in real words so that you guys can practice on your own when you're reading and you're looking at words that you may not know. Okay? So think to yourself, finding those vowels, and you're saying to yourself, oh, Mrs. Walt, I see a consonant, L-E at the end, and I see two consonants. I'm going to find them in the middle, and I'm going to split them. And don't call it out. Give everybody a moment to look at it and sound it out. Closed. Consonant L-E. 1, 2, 3, go. Bubble, bubble. Awesome sauce. Bubble. I love to go outside and blow bubbles. Remember, don't call it out for your friends around you. Find your vowel. And hopefully you're saying, oh, 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 I see that consonant L-E at the end. Open. Consonant L-E. Go ahead. Cradle, cradle. The baby is asleep in its cradle, cradle. Very good. All right. Ready? You guys are on fire. Ooh, this one's got a lot of vowels. What is she trying to do to us? Okay, so let's see. Vowel, vowel. Ooh, consonant L-E. This is telling me this has 3 syllables. Three different syllables. You think you know it? Good job. It is I si. Oh. Icicle. 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 That was tricky. Yeah, but definitely those vowels tell you that's something wonky going on there. Icicle. Icicle. I haven't seen an icicle yet this year, but I bet we will soon. Okay, I like the way you're thinking there. Find your vowel. Double consonants, and then this at the end should jump out at you as a consonant L-E. Are you ready? We've got closed, consonant L-E, muzzle, muzzle, muzzle. Very good. And one last one before I say goodbye for today. Okay, good. Now, hopefully you're saying to yourself consonant L-E, and you're thinking open, consonant L-E, and what do you say? Maple, maple. I'm going to put some maple syrup on my pancakes. Now I'm going to make myself hungry. Okay, so friends, today, brand new syllable type, consonant L-E. Very exciting. Your job today as readers is to go out and read, and look for consonant L-E on the end of words or inside words, and share them with your teacher if you discover some. I'll see you guys later. Bye for now.